Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this Excel video, I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to swap the values of two cells without copying, pasting, or adding extra columns. Let's jump in. Step 1. The problem. Here I have a list of contacts, and if you look closely at columns D and E, some of the data is in the wrong place. For example, this one here should be in the city column. This address should be in the business address column. We could fix this with copy-paste or by creating a temporary column, but that feels complicated and a little annoying. Luckily, there's a much simpler way. Step 2. Swapping two cells. Here's how to do it. Click one of the cells you want to swap. It doesn't matter which one. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Move your mouse to the edge of the cell, any of the four lines around it. You'll see the pointer turn into a four-sided arrow. Click and drag the cell to the other cell you want to swap with. As you drag, you'll see insertion points appear. The insertion point shows where your data will go. Release the mouse button when the insertion point is exactly where you want it. Now the two cells have swapped places. Salem is in the city column, and the address is in the business address column. Step 3. Tips and tricks. You can swap in any direction, left, right, up, or down. Pay attention to the insertion points, because if you drop it in the wrong place, it might move the data instead of swapping it. If you make a mistake, just press Ctrl+Z to undo. For example, if you only move part way and drop the cell above or below instead of directly onto the other cell, Excel will shift the cells rather than swap them, which may not be what you want. The swap works best when the two cells are next to each other, but even if they aren't, you can move the data. Just remember it might shift surrounding cells instead of a true swap. Step 4. Another example. Let's try another swap. Click the first cell. Hold Shift, drag to the other cell until the insertion point shows where you want it. Release the mouse button. Notice, the data is swapped, but sometimes Excel will shift nearby cells to accommodate the move. So again, it's safest to swap cells that are next to each other. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly swap data between two cells in Excel without creating extra columns or copying and pasting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Excel tutorial.